Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, power lift gate, remote trunk release, fog lamps, tires front all season, tires rear all season, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.